So you want to know which montage is active right now. That's Get Current Montage. Now this node is super useful as when you are making a character, you need to make it so it can take damage in between attacks. It can eat and then get damage and then take the damage while eating or something like that. So this node, what this node actually do is it will get you the current montage, and whichever montage you are playing, it will get it automatically. Generally what happens here is when you are playing a montage, you need to promote the current anim montage to a variable, then you will feed that to stop anim montage. But in some cases, like when you receive an attack, you don't have to get the current montage. You need to immediately cancel out whichever montage it is playing as of that moment. For that, get current montage is super useful. Plus it have its own other important functions as well. But for now, let's just see it in action and understand it better how it actually works. So as you can see on the screen, we have an example prepared for us where we are taking a debug key 1 to play a montage. Now it's a normal jogging montage, and then in debug key 2, what we are doing here is we are taking execution clean from pressed, and whenever we press 2, what will happen is it will print the montage name which is currently playing, and then it will stop that montage. Now here, as you can see, the anim montage, we are not giving it any specific montage to stop. We are just feeding it the get current montage, which means it can cancel out whichever montage is currently playing. So moving forward, let's just compile the code and see the action so that we can better understand how it actually works. And as you can see, as soon as I press begin play, and when I press 1, it started playing that montage, and as soon as I press 2, it stopped that montage. Including that, it also printed that the jog forward montage, and it is actually stopping that exact montage which is currently playing. So it's perfect for combo systems, or something like if you are doing something related to VFX, or if you are making so character can take a damage and react accordingly to that damage instead of just continuing its attack like nothing happened. So it makes your animation feel alive. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.